We got a present from our good partners at Lasfit. If you can't tell what it is, let me help make it a little easier for y'all. Y'all tell what it is now? Can't wait to open this up. I feel like everyone should have floor mats. And I feel like it's an essential, and no one ever knows that Lasfit makes them, and they fit amazing. I tried it on a few cars before. Check out that playlist if you haven't seen it already. Glad to be able to partner with Lasfit again on the new HRV. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. And of course, if you want to get some for yourself, you can use the coupon code right here and help save 15% off. Now, I'm opening this at the exact same time as y'all, so it's first impressions. I was wondering how they were able to fit the rears, because it's one piece. It's like it was folded in, up. No, this is actually, looks like it's gonna be the passenger side. Of course, we'll probably want to leave it out for a little bit so it can, you know, form to a shape right. We'll leave it in the sun a little bit. But this is the driver's side. Looks like it, yeah, it's the driver's side right here. Has a little manual. And here's the back side, which is folded in. Boom. Let's go ahead and take these out of the bag. If you're curious on the instruction manual, this is what it says. Quote to give about lifetime hassle-free warranty, 90-day guarantee back, all that stuff right here. Instruction manual, and then the back. This is the driver's side. Looks like it clips on to the OEM clips, which is going to be game changer right here. That or this will replace the OEM clips, like my brother's BMW. Whenever I tried them, of course, I'm supposed to leave it out in the sun a little bit, so it won't be kind of deformed, but no sun, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But overall, like, there's traction on this. The overall material feels really good. I'm so excited to use it. Lasfit right here. This is actually the first time I'm actually using their floor mats personally. Most time I ever tried it was on my brother's car, so I cannot wait to officially try their floor mats personally myself. Passenger mat, no different. It looks a lot bigger. Maybe I'm not used to that crossover life yet, but passenger mat looks just as good. That's the back. And the back seats. They do offer cargo mats. I'm gonna try that later, but for now, definitely need these for an essential. Curious on how this is gonna fit in the back, because sometimes don't fit good. But judging from experience from my brother's car, these are gonna fit so good. And very minimum logo design, so I like that logo. I'm just gonna kind of leg this overnight and then slap on the car tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day. Still early in the morning, and as you can see, just leaving it overnight. Kind of holds the shape now, so it's like that on both mats. Now should be ready to throw in the car. If you aren't familiar, this is what the OEM floor mats look like. So we're just gonna be taking this off by just turning these right here, and boom, right here comes out. And we're gonna be vacuuming this so we have a clean slate to work with. Not perfect, but it's clean enough. So let's go ahead and slap on the new mat. If you can't tell, this is the driver's side because it has that foot resting area, if you didn't know. And like I showed, it just kind of clips on to the OEM clips right there. It's pretty straightforward. Just found out these things open so you can see it, and then you can push it down, so, and then you can turn it to lock it in place like that, and then you put the caps right back on. That's pretty sick and neat. All that debris won't fall in here because this cap will cover it. So nice touch, Lasfit, nice touch. Final product. Not bad, not bad. Probably gonna be driving it today. It might rain later, so I can really test this out. Should be waterproof. It should be pretty dang durable. The passenger side's just as simple, except it doesn't have the clip pieces. So just gonna clean out this out and just slap it in. All right, clean up for the most part. Let's go ahead and just slap it in. So it's gonna be as simple as boom, easy as that. Now, if you have any troubles, you might have to move the seat back a little bit, but I do sit pretty far back already, so it's just kind of sits kind of right and snug. That's all the coverage right here. What do I think? Comment down below. Is this a good product? Would you buy it? Don't forget to use my coupon code right here if you do want to buy it. If you don't like it, give it a try. You can use my coupon code to save some money, and then maybe you'll fall in love. As you probably can tell, the rears are going to be the exact same way. And like the instruction says, you don't want to put it over the factory mats. You do want to take those out. The rears is going to be very similar to the passenger side, except for you want to put this piece in first, but there's no clips or anything like that. One thing I like for sure, that it goes underneath this rail, so in case dirt gets under here, it really captures all that dirt. And it really kind of hugs the center console area quite a bit, so that's really good. I know some floor mats won't even cover this pretty good at all. So the goal is to try to prevent as much dirt from hitting that carpet as possible or getting it wet. Kind of the reason why you have to remove the bottom floor mat is because it makes it a little bit higher and the fitment won't be as good when it's on. Alright, so overall, first impressions, they're very nice, very high quality. So I guess only time will tell now. So what I'm gonna do now is probably check back in a few days, let the sun do its magic, try and warp it around need be, and then maybe show you how dirty it gets, because it's been raining a lot here down in the south. Maybe I try to take it out and try to clean it for you guys, just to show how easy it cleans and how much dirt it traps in underneath the carpet versus the floor mats, just to show how big of a difference it makes what's captured on the floor mats versus underneath. So I'll check back in with the future me. Look wise, I'm already so much in love compared to the carpet. I don't know, kind of reminds me like a 4Runner. I don't know why, it just come in my head, but it looks so much better. Okay, so my wife and I have been using this car a lot since we put this on. I believe I put this on, I don't know, it was a Thursday or Friday. I think it was about Wednesday or Thursday or something like that. So then it rained twice or 3 times since we used it. And this is how it looks right here, is my side. And I'll just show you moving it. Put this up, turn these tabs. Let me show you guys how clean it is underneath. Try to get it carefully out. Look at that. Spotless. Hope it's not too dark for y'all. Let me see if I can bump it up a little bit. That's how it looks. Did not vacuum nothing. That's how it completely looks right there. And I'm sure the mat's probably really bright. Ooh, it is really bright. Let's see. That's how the mats look. Shadow. Again, rained twice, I believe, or 3 times, and then we used this as a daily beater and everything. So that's how it looks. Let's check the passenger side now. All right, passenger side right here. It's my wife's side. Same thing. Driven about the same amount of time. And try to remove it without cutting anything, as you can see. Just be careful with it. It makes it easy because when you pick it up, you can fold it in. So boom, right there. Even more spotless. And let me show you this side. I'm not trying to cut nothing, so you can see everything. Look at that. Right, harsh shadow. That's how it looks. And it's nice because you can like fold it like this to take it out, so none of the crumbs that you're taking out will fall on your floorboard. So Lasfit, you always kill it again. Thank you so much again. I appreciate you guys. So I was gonna record cleaning the mats, but the car washing station at my place is down, so I wasn't able to film us cleaning it, but it's pretty durable. You can check out the BMW video when I put water on it. This stuff is good material, easy to clean, spray it off, spray on, really easy. If you don't trust me, go ahead and buy it for yourselves. Again, you can use my coupon code. And thank you Lasfit for always supporting the channel and helping us out with this new build. I can't wait to see what other products you offer as well. And again, thank you Lasfit for always supporting. And thank you for everyone who stuck around to the very end watching this video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to purchase your Lasfit floor mats.